How's it going, everyone? My name is Mark here at Diesel Power Products, and today we're going to be talking about Kryptonite's Death Grip tie rods for your 01 to 10 GM Duramax 2500 and 3500. Tie rods. For all you GM guys, you definitely know one of the major things you need to address first off is your tie rods. Those factory units just can't hold up even under factory conditions. For you guys running larger tires or wheels, or even possibly having a little bit more power going to your truck, or you actually use your truck for off-roading, tie rods is a major issue that needs to be addressed. Kryptonite has definitely done you guys a favor with this sizable difference of a tie rod compared to your factory units. So for you guys running a larger wheel and tire setup on your trucks, a lot of people don't realize how much extra force is exerted on your front end components. That usually leads to tie rod failures, one of your first failures. Getting into the death grips, these again are a sizable difference, which is going to be a major benefit having this extra mass to protect your front end there. You want to get an alignment taken care of as soon as possible to protect the front end components of your vehicle, as well as prolong your tire life as long as possible. With this being a Kryptonite product, they do have their lifetime warranty slapped on there. So whether you guys are lifting it, leveling it, lowering it, racing it, pulling it, or breaking it, Kryptonite will replace it. If you guys have any questions about the Death Grip tie rods from Kryptonite, feel free to give us a call or reach out to us on our website at dieselpowerproducts.com.